How to make a Rubik's Cube. To start, give your cube a bevel modifier. Now set the amount to 0.2 and the segment to 3. Once you've done that, right-click and shade Smooth. Now add an array modifier and set the count to 3. Now you want to add another one and set the X to 0 and the Y to 1 and the count to 3. Now add the final array modifier, and this time set X to 0, Z to 1, and the count to 3 again. Now go to your Material tab and select a black color for the overall Rubik's Cube. Now apply all your modifiers. Now tab into Edit mode, then select each individual face and give them a color. Repeat that step until you have your whole Rubik's Cube colored. And this is how you make a Rubik's Cube. Thank you for watching.